am back with some crafting. It is time. We're going to be doing another DIY. It's been a really long time. We're at my desk because my neighbor hates me. So we're going to be quiet in my room. And I'm going to make this okay, so I've been seeing these around on social media. You use this little cheap magic wand from Daiso, and the end result is going to be that you make it with a photo card. So I've been seeing this around. My friend sent me a sort of kind of tutorial in Japanese. So I've been seeing a couple of people making stuff with this, so I thought that I would attempt to do it myself. I only have one wand, so if I fuck this up, that's it. So I am going to go see TXT on Sunday, so I thought that this would be a very nice little get back into it. As I might have as some of you who follow me on Instagram might know, I switched biases, meaning that my Yeonjun goods are no longer really good for me, and that I am a bit more into Soupin these days. Don't worry, I still love Yeonjun. It's nothing like that. It's just that for maybe the past year, Soupin's been catching my eye a little bit more, and so this will be my first concert fully supporting him, I guess. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first, something you'll need. Whatever the fuck a heart cane is. This was from Daiso. It cost 100 yen during I just got it from the Halloween supply section, but they should still have them. And then my friend Arisa, shout out to Arisa, gave me a ton of deco goods. So I have seen some of these with whip, or I've seen some that have a lace trim, and everyone's kind of done them a little bit differently. So we're just going to see what I can make with what I already have. I didn't want to buy anything new because I have so many crafting supplies, so I want to see what we can make. And then Susan is a rabbit, so I use these for dog ears but also for rabbit ears, so maybe they'll fit. I'm not really sure. And then the most important, I get these from Amazon. It's literally just a bag of card holders. This is very important. So basically, it looks, from the looks of it, we're going to break this open, and then it's going to be this, I guess. I'm not really sure where to break it for this to be good and not suck. So this is going to be really interesting. Let's do our best. Ganbaro. Okay, so down here I have a sheet of paper so that I do not get hot glue and stuff all over my actual desk. But first things first, let's peel this off. This next one as well. Yay, okay, exactly like that. Let's go ahead and open this. So it's the same on both sides, so it looks like it doesn't really matter, at least which face I break it on. Okay, so now we have to decide, do I want the heart, this big pink heart, to be up here, or do I want it to be more down here, and then put this at the top? I'm gonna eyeball it. Okay, I don't actually have anything to really break this, but it's cheap plastic, so it should be doable with my pliers. Part is here, and then this part will be up here and make a heart shape. The goal is here. Okay, plastic is getting a bit softer, so it should be able to break soon. All right, so once you weaken it a bit, I just used scissors and it came undone. So let's go ahead and do the other side. I want to make sure that I get it exactly. So it looks like right here is its partner. So now we're gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna kind of weaken it back and forth a bit. Once I see the plastic moves easily, I will go ahead and use my scissors. All right. And bam, both of them are separated. So now I have the big heart. And I think I want to disconnect this top part. This is gonna be fun. I have no idea how to do this. This is where shit gets complicated. How are they doing it? They made it look so easy online. They always make this shit look easy. Okay, again, it's getting weaker. Okay, see, like it's like spinning now. Oh! Okay. I did it! I did it without like completely fucking it up. This is insane. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ah! Like that. So like you can have the heart kind of there. Because I feel like if I put it down, oh, I could do it like that. I feel like that might be a little sad. Maybe like that. And then this will go up here like so. Okay, next plan of action. Lace. I changed my mind. Okay, I changed my mind. I think that this one's color matches my vibe a little bit more for this particular project. So I'm going to use this pink and white lace instead. Okay, hot glue gun is ready. So first we need to, this has to be like the last thing if you want it super obvious. We're gonna do our lace first. If you are a child, don't just go burning stuff. Ball, keep going. Remember not to accidentally get any glue on the opening of the photocard holder, because that would be very no bueno. Okay. Right, here we have the base. So it's going to look like this. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, wait. Let's put Subin in there as like a size check. Let's put him in some really cute bunny rabbit sleeves. Look, little bunny. So these sleeves are from Kpop Stationary. I have a lot of their other sleeves as well. They're always so cute. All right, let's do a size test. All right, there we go. So it looks like I can put stuff around the bottom corners here and maybe anything on the top that I would like to add. Let's go ahead and add this part now because it'll be easier to put deco around it because the end result will look like this. Oh my god! There's some of the little hairs from the hot glue gun. I usually just pull those off. All right, and let's add this one. God, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, time for the silly deco part. Let's do it. Okay, I have these like cute like little angel wings, you know, like in their, well, I guess like Trixie always has a bit of an angel concept. No, don't they? I feel. So maybe we should add these angel wings somewhere. Like I feel like that would be a bit like cool. And they're pink. I know that TXT is technically blue, but you know what? All my shit's pink. Shut the fuck up. Okay. That's what we're doing. That's exactly what we're doing. Oh my fucking god. I have these big jewelry ones that Arisa gave me. I don't even know where she got these. These are insane. Okay, so we have like this one. I think maybe I'll try using it. I mean, oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Ooh. Can I put bunny ears on this or will it look fucking stupid? You know, like, maybe I can. Guys, I think I'm gonna do it. This thing's gonna be ridiculous. So I'm definitely gonna make 87 more of these. We're gonna put ribbons where the bunny ears are. I am gonna add one ribbon here as well. I found some bigger ribbon, so we're gonna use that to make a big one here. I also have like some here. I don't know if I want to make it like twist down or not. Maybe I do. The moment of, do I want this? Oh, yeah, I think I do. Okay. Here, I'm gonna put a ribbon here so it'll like cover. Okay. So basically I'm putting glue on the ribbon and then I am twisting it like that. Because I still like the silver, so I still want part of the silver to like be seen. Okay, and now we're going to finish her off by twisting this part on the bottom and bring it around just like that. Okay, I'm just gonna like tie it on like the old-fashioned way, I guess. I'm going to put one last little thingy here. We're going to put this bow one on top of the bow. I'm going to add some like little pink diamonds like around where I want pink diamonds to be. It's heart, and I kind of want to put it on top of this one. Let's do a test. Oh my god, big fucking brain. Okay, I'm just gonna add, oh my god, I'm so sorry. I like keep saying like, oh, I'm done, and then I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna add. She's done. All right, everyone, what do you think? I genuinely think I ate really hard. Can you believe? Here it is. Look at him. Literally so cool. So cool and so cute, and oh my god, I'm really excited for the concert now. Anyway, if you enjoyed this DIY, please go ahead and hit subscribe and follow me for more DIYs. I do have some other like K-pop and deco related content on my channel, so definitely please check it out. Sorry for being so underwhelming today, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Sorry that it was a wee bit like, you know, the setup was maybe a little not good, but hopefully you guys could see more of what was happening, even if it's like a little less of me. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.